What up, everybody? Demo Aurelius. Um, Took the laptop apart. I'm having an issue. I've been having an issue for a couple of days. Um, but I got it back up and running. I tried to swap the original monitor back over. Um, Screwed up the bits. I needed to be wearing my glasses. I couldn't find my glasses. They fell on the other side of in between the bed and the table, and I couldn't find them. So, make a long story short, too late. Screwed up on a lot of the screws, and it's stuck in there. I'm gonna have to get another laptop, or I want to get a M1 or M4 Mac Mini. Use this TV, sit across the damn room. Um, Anyhow, um, issue I'm having is screen keeps dying down on the monitor. So I just got the thing to go away, which is happy, joy. But I was having issues yesterday when I got it back up and somewhat running, or a day before, one of the two. But anyhow, it was like, took my computer completely loose. It's been loose for, 2, 3 days. Anyhow, it's like, get on with the story. So, deleted some stuff off of here. I deleted Grand Theft Auto off my hard drive, which was 114 gigabytes of space. Jeez, wasn't playing it, so you know. So I've got quite a bit space, and now my fan is kicking on. But how it's set up now, I guess it's okay. And this is what's going on with that. Okay, that's ended. So we're going to stop. We're going to exit. But yeah, we've been doing some little adjusting of the wheel. I don't know if I like it yet because now it sits on Gran Turismo. It's kind of, I don't know, but yeah, it sits a little too high now. It's a little less than how it sits in the car. The car sits lower. But it is what it is, right? This would be over here if I was in the car. Whatever. Pedals would feel a ton different in the car. But anyhow, Assetto Corsa is back up and running. Boom. And I'm going to get back to running it. TV is doing great. I notice on using TV as monitors, colors are just completely different. But what can you expect, right? It's not a monitor. It's not the damn monitor that was meant for the. So, TV stand's holding up great. Um, if it was a little taller, it'd be a little bit more awesome. Unless I just took off the damn feet of this sim rag where it'd be completely on the ground, then it would be scraping if I decided to move it. You win some, you lose some. But at least I'm protecting the floors, right? So, yeah. I wanted to do a couple of drifting laps, and I haven't driven a set of cores in months upon months upon months upon months. And so now we did a couple of couple of laps sliding around Assetto Corsa because I've been wanting to play Assetto Corsa. I've been needing to play Assetto Corsa, but all we have is Gran Turismo, and I can't hold a drift. Sad, I know. Tragic. Just practice more. But it's not as easy. And Car X Drift Race or whatever the damn thing is, I couldn't hold nothing. I took that off my PlayStation. It was just a waste of time. But with that being said, I'm going to get back to this. So I'm going to end. Have a good day. Drink you some water. Go outside, get you some air. Wash your hands. Brush your teeth. Chill. Be cool. Have a good day. Peace.